market bleeding heavily for the last few sessions, the Australian financial space, especially the banking sector, has also taken a hit. I'm Rachel Jones and this is Kalkine Media. The ASX 200 banks, which comprises 7 companies from the benchmark ASX 200 classified as member of the banks industry, has fallen 5.69% this year to 2,438. But how are Australia's top-notch banks faring amid this continuous selling spree? Let's take a look at these ASX banking stocks and their performance so far this year. The Australia and New Zealand banking group, the Melbourne-headquartered ANZ Bank, has a market cap of $75.37 billion and is one of the largest financial institutions of the country. ANZ shares have been on the decline for the last few sessions, having shed 5.96% in the last 5 trading sessions. The volatility in the stock price has also spiked as its 14-day average true range, which depicts the daily average move in stock, has risen to 61 cents, the highest since March 2021. However, there is a strong support around $26.30 to $26.60 on the charts, which has kept the stock from falling since March last year. Next up, let's take a look at the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, also known as CommBank. It's a Sydney-based banking giant. It's the largest bank of Australia in terms of market capitalisation, which stands at $162.87 billion. The pandemic doesn't seem to have impacted the bank significantly, as CBA clocked revenue worth $24.5 billion and a net profit of $10.18 billion in financial year 2021. However, CBA shares haven't been able to resist the market-wide selling and have fallen 7.35% this year. The third bank on the list is the National Australia Bank, a Melbourne-based financial institution. The bank reported a noticeable jump in net profit to $6.36 billion in financial year 2021, compared to a net profit of $2.56 billion a year ago. The market cap of the NAB currently stands at $89.12 billion, and NAB shares have witnessed liquidation from investors' portfolios in 2022. So in conclusion, Australian shares haven't had a good start to the year so far. The benchmark ASX 200 index has tumbled a sizable 8.3% recently. The index has fallen below the psychological support level of 7,000 to hit 6,769.2, the lowest level since April 2021. Now, if you did like the information in this video, you can like, share and comment on it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkine Media.